Okay, here's the room tour. Right, we'll start off in the bathroom, and on the left you've got a nice big sink. They give you some free toiletries there as well. There's a hairdryer in the corner, some hand towels, the throne of course. You've got like some bath towels on the rack at the top there. The shower is a really good shower. It's a rainforest shower, and it's got like an attachment on it as well if you like to use them type of things. They've got some shower gel there which is in a dispenser, which is really good, so you don't even have to bring any shower gel with you. Okay, so as we head on out here, at the other side of the door there, we've got like a 2-person jacuzzi. Now I haven't used this yet, but it looks really clean, so I will be using this before the week's out. And as you sit down in the tub there, you got a view out the window of the annex units and the rest of Turkla. So unless you've got these curtains shut, then yeah, you're providing like a free peep show to everybody. Next we've got this kind of worktop area, and you've got a kettle there with your tea, coffee, sugar, etc. 2 cups, power sockets. You've got a good sized TV there, and below the worktop you've got a good sized fridge as well. Now you can put your own things in here, but the Eftalia Hotel, they supply you with bottled water every day and also soft drinks once a week. Now the Efes and the milk is mine, so unfortunately they don't supply that. It'd be good if they did, but they don't, unfortunately. Okay, moving on, we've got a big chair there, just ignore my case plumped on it. We've got a nice big worktop area in the corner and a huge mirror. So for the ladies, if you're looking to do your makeup and everything, then this is a place for you. There's also some lights, which looks better at night. Obviously it's daytime now, but you can see the general idea. We've got these sort of funky 1960s style ball lights, which look pretty cool. So yeah, lots of space. And then over here we have a single bed and a huge double bed. You got a huge wardrobe next to that, like floor to ceiling, all mirrored. And we have a very 1990s looking phone. Does anybody actually use a phone in hotels? I don't know. Also, in the bottom of the wardrobe there is a safe that you can use. You can just type your own number into that one, and it doesn't cost anything to use this. It's all free to use, which is good. Like a little dinky coffee table there and another chair, and then out onto the balcony, which is a big balcony because this is a corner room, so the balcony sort of wraps around the room itself. So there's this thing there for hanging your shorts or your towels, etc. And as you can see, the balcony is quite big. You get 2 chairs and a little table. It goes right round the corner here. Yeah, beautiful balcony. It gets the sun in the afternoon, so nice. And last but not least, you have a lovely air conditioning unit, which to supply you with a remote control as well, which is really good. So yeah, there you have it. This is the upgraded jacuzzi room, and it's well worth an upgrade if you ask me. Super.